And the tent is open today. Look at all these cars.
Now they can go home and say, I went to the big tent. Yippee, Skippy. Look at all the old buses in there.
Yeah, wow. Old buses. Go down to Roadrunner. Oh, look at the traffic.
All the way down.
And there is the big tent. And if you would like to see in the big tent, you'll have to go to someone else's channel.
Yeah,
Because we're not going in there. It's just too crazy for us.
too many people get too wound up.
Look who we found. Life is a joy.
Isn't that amazing?
It is. That's awesome. No, that's good.
Well, let me show you some movie roads. Where's West? West left. This is Aaron.
Hi, Aaron.
He is a solar guru. So if you need anything about solar, he will do.
He's for hire.
Yes, he's for hire, and he will do either way you want it. He'll do it for you.
I'll tell you what, I've seen some trash being done over there at the RTR.
But this guy, his is artwork. When you look at his solar, it looks like art. I'm telling you, it's the truth. And Aaron, how can they reach you? He'll also do consulting, so if people need to do it on the telephone.
If you have something that's already in progress and want to get some just confirmation, direction, advice, I'm open for that.
You doing it just in this area, or are you doing it United States
just
wide?
internet, and then United States wide would be.
Do you have a website or something?
And be sure and pay him good because he's got 4 kids to feed.
Yeah, they eat a lot. You can reach us on Instagram, BroccoliBus6. And we have a website, broccolibus.com, just like the vegetable. And you can also reach me on my email, which is aaronsb@gmail.com. Just shoot me an email.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And this guy over here, Wes.
Wes
This is Wes's best friend.
I watched Wes. He was.
We've seen Wes.
He worked on the front of Chris's car.
He is a technician. He can do anything. He really can.
That's him.
And
yeah.
metal work.
I talked to you a
and
few
he
times.
is
I
also
said we
for
were
hire.
down. You
Now,
were
me,
somewhere.
I am free.
I tell,
You get what you pay for.
I tell everybody how you did your solar panels on top,
Oh, yeah,
because everybody's got their solar panels hanging up.
Okay, you come on in. I'm moving stuff in here.
So this is their schoolie.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that on. That's
Yeah,
cool.
This is the little thing that
Want me to take? Oh my
when I'm
gosh!
driving, it comes
It's so
down.
beautiful.
When we're driving, it comes down.
You want me to take my shoes off?
Oh no.
Okay.
No, everybody.
There's the
so
grandchildren.
here. Yeah, that's 4 of them. The other 2 are right there.
Oh my gosh, it's
Oh,
beautiful.
thank you so much.
It looks
just feels
so
like home.
beautiful.
Thank you.
I just can't believe how beautiful it is in person.
Thank you.
It looks nice on the videos, but...
We just got this in.
Is that a Kimberly?
Yeah, no, it's a cubic mini. And this is the Grizzly, which is the bigger of the two. Fritz has this Cub in his bus over there. It's smaller. And this will eventually go around here.
Oh, that looks...
So to make it look like a little fireplace.
I know when we watch your channel, I say that your husband is such a craftsman.
Oh, he
I mean,
he's so good at it, isn't he?
So how do you feel about these?
Oh, well, I'll tell you how I feel about them. There are some things about them I love.
Oh, wow.
I to line them all up here. But the magnets on mine are not strong enough. Now,
I
somebody
seen
else
you and Mommy
has
walking
some,
down the driveway a lot.
and theirs
Yeah.
stay on, so they have stronger magnets.
Oh, you.
Like this. They just fall
Wow,
down.
this is unbelievable.
So, thank you.
Unbelievable.
Isn't it gorgeous? Look what they put in, honey.
What's that, little wood stove?
Oh, it's a cubic. Yeah, it's a cubic mini.
Wow.
This is the Grizzly, which is a little bigger than the Cub.
Pretty good.
Oh my
yeah.
gosh.
Oh, it's great. And we put this little stove on, this little fan, which operates from heat.
Oh, it comes on thermostatically.
It comes on. I mean, it's powered by heat.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so no batteries, no electricity,
wow.
nothing. It's just powered by heat. So when it gets warm, it starts going, and the hotter you put it in there.
Does
Yeah,
do
he
you
put a
smell the
motor in.
pine?
It's Maisie.
Are they pine or what?
Can you sit?
Do you smell it?
Can you sit? What a pretty girl. Good girl.
It gets stinking like dirt.
I woke
40
up last
feet
night for some
from the front
some
to the
crazy
back.
game.
So
If you want to take a picture, you got to hit the button in the middle.
And then you come in here. It's like I lost my breath when I come.
Tractor Supply has these. A 40-pound bag costs $5.
Really?
And you can see they're compressed real hard. So
Right.
that all you're doing is just getting it wet enough so that that slick part,
Yep.
where it's compressed, so that that breaks down. And so what I do is I put 4 of these and 1 of water. Okay? And I just put it in I have a little white deal and just mix it up so that everything's wet. And in 5 minutes it just expands and it's ready to put in.
Video with him.
yes,
Oh, he's awesome. Yeah, we love him.
So there's Dave standing next to that cactus. Isn't that huge? There's the coach.